color is here.
Good friends and shopping buddies Kamini Prasad and Jennifer Rivera have a motto.
We don't pay retail ever. That's a rule.
Their secret savings weapon? Coupons.
You gave me the 20%.
We work very hard for our money. We want to keep as much of it as possible.
They're not the only bargain hunters out there this holiday season. 87% of holiday shoppers say they won't buy a gift this year unless it's on sale. And in hopes of attracting shoppers on tight budgets, stores aren't waiting until late December to offer discounts. Sales are on now. Retail strategists say if you see a gift on sale, buy it. It's not likely to get much cheaper, and like last season, stores have a limited number of items in stock.
We do believe that customers that wait until the last minute may be disappointed because some of the key items that they're looking for may be well sold out by then.
Shoppers may have better luck finding the items they want online.
Keeping inventory in each separate store is a very costly proposition, but keeping it in a warehouse, poised and ready and waiting for your order is a bit easier.
Long says to expect lots of online-only deals and special weekly, daily, or even hourly web promotions. But don't let these sales lure you away from your budget. The National Retail Federation reports that online holiday shoppers will spend almost 25% more than other shoppers this season.
You could definitely do a lot of damage if you don't have a budget or a list of what you need.
Right.
For CBS News, I'm Jill Schlesinger, CBSMoneyWatch.com.